This is our adventure to Mindo.
There's something there in the wild, it's a reflection of me. People fight for survival. I'm chasing tails, I'm surrounded. Can't stop for a second to breathe. My thoughts are flowing like water. One day soon I will find. I know I am close. I know I will shine. One day soon I will fly. I know I am free. I'm feeling alive. Take me back to the jungle. Take me back to the jungle. Hey. Take me back to the jungle. The city keeps me distracted, but I know where I should be. Tell my mama I'm leaving.
We're going to Mindo, and we're gonna have a good day. It's gonna be nice and warm, and we are all set and ready to go.
All the secrets I'm hiding. One day soon I will
This journey is going to be long, so let's get some breakfast.
close. I know I will shine. One day soon I will. Tell me something, it might just take the pain away.
Gracias. So this is pretty cool. They put it in a bag that's separated by two, as you can tell. It's pretty funny. I've never seen that before.
Now I'm looking in your eyes, but I'm
Our personal driver, Constantine, was very helpful throughout this whole journey.
see, I'm trying to keep it cool while I'm hovering for.
Courtney's so excited right now. It's not hot. We probably should have asked for that, but to be honest
Yeah.
with you, it's
Delicious.
how's your sandwich, hun?
I feel like a cilantro mayonnaise.
So we're trying to stop at Mitad del Mundo, but it seems like we're a little bit too early for that.
Yeah, it doesn't open until 9 a.m. So
Luckily, our guide Constantine was able to make a quick stop.
What's up, guys? We're here at Mitad del Mundo.
we're in the middle of the world.
Pretty cool view. This is actually pretty awesome. Couple volcanoes here to my left.
Thank you.
On our way to Mindo. Super excited. Where are you at, babe?
We're in Cali. I probably butchered that a little bit, but that's okay. And this is the first monument of Mitad del Mundo. It's not the one that has the museum, but it's the first one.
We just saw the middle of the world. Now it's time to feed some hummingbirds.
You excited, hon?
Yes.
You see her, she's so excited, she's so cute. Honey,
I love
are you in
hummingbirds.
love? Are you in love right now?
Yes, it was just there and you missed it.
It's okay, hon. You'll fall in love with what happens next.
It's amazing seeing hummingbirds up close with all their vibrant colors.
Yeah, I don't think it's fair to go to Ecuador without trying some of their coffee. I don't know if you guys know our love for coffee, but Mario and Rhonda made this an unforgettable experience.
Oh, okay.
Peel the embryo, the germ.
Yeah.
You don't want to get it all the way dry like you want to roast it. You want to stop the drying.
Never been the right time, like
it a coffee plant.
That guy's going to eventually fall off. And these are the real coffee leaves, the oblong ones. It takes about 1 month to get each pair of real coffee leaves. So perfect cluster.
Oh, perfect.
It's a perfect
Okay.
picture cluster.
And just like, do I twist them or
Yeah,
okay,
little
twist them?
twist.
Hold on,
You'll
get a
see
picture
those
before
are
you
really
twist it?
ripe. They'll
Twist.
come.
Okay.
Sweet.
How's
Yeah.
it taste, honey?
I actually like it.
Yeah?
It's kind of, I always say coffee's kind of
Okay.
like a grape. A grape has small seeds, a lot of stuff to eat on it. Coffee has big seeds. But it doesn't have, it's not sticky anymore. New like this for the first couple days, I definitely want to come down here 2 or 3 times a day. Just kind of go like this.
And just like spread it all.
Spread it out. Make sure you get all that initial. Don't make a tooth mark. You know you're getting pretty close to 12%.
Yeah.
Wow, this place is truly peaceful.
Yes, I'm so
So excited.
Really cool fun fact is I love sloths too, and their bag is sloths, and they're from Pennsylvania, so like we connect on 2 things.
This has been such an amazing experience. This is so cool. I'm in heaven right now. Coffee, yeah, it's us.
It's delicious.
It's time for us to go, but let's head deeper into this mysterious cloud forest. We were told that to begin our journey, we would face a challenging hike. We're here, and as our guide gives us the best path to beautiful waterfalls, I can't get over the fact that it begins with this. Is that what I think it is? We're live.
I start our journey now.
There's something about this forest that's completely majestic. The beautiful nature surrounding us probably made this one of the best experiences of our lives. After 2 hours of hiking, we've arrived at one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Mindo. It's time to head back before it gets too dark.
Now it's my turn. Let's go see how chocolate is made.
It's native.
How many can we eat?
It's okay, it's not purple anymore.
It's difficult to explain how truly amazing Ecuador was. And thank you. Thank you for sticking around, and we really hope you enjoyed our adventure in Mindo.